All right, we're live.
Hi, welcome to Gilbert Gardens. This is our homesteading and how-to channel based out of Niagara Falls, Ontario. We're here May 11th, which you would have no idea because it's been snowing and freezing and frost warnings and the whole thing, but we're here trying to get our garden prepped for the season. We just got a bunch of triple mix dropped off, 4 yards, which actually is a lot more than I thought it was going to be. And we're here just topping up our beds, making sure that they have good quality soil so that we can do a lot better than we did last year. And in a couple days, we're hoping to plant our garden, so stay tuned. This year when we were filling up the beds with topsoil, we noticed that some of the beds were already really high and some of them already had stuff growing in them. So we decided that we would kind of do a little bit of a trial run with the different kinds of soil that we have. So the strawberry bed, we haven't touched. We haven't sifted through the soil. We haven't really done anything to it. So that's kind of trial bed number 1 to see how the strawberries do. And then trial bed number 2 is full of just compost from the compost bins that we have at the garden. And then trial beds number 3 are new beds that we put in this year. That is just the topsoil that we got today.
Triple mix.
The triple mix, sorry. So we'll see how kind of they do through the season, and it'll be nice to kind of gauge if we need to add more triple mix or maybe more compost, or if we did all that work for nothing. I'm just kidding.
You're tired.
I am. All right. Yeah. So
you need a nap. Yeah. How cold are you right now?
Like, I'm cold and just getting miserable, you know?
Okay, we're
I'm
live.
just pissed.
May. All right, you want to open up there, Happy Pants?
Like, with what?
I don't know, whatever, it's recording.
You're the one who always talks, so ramble on.
Okay, well that's it for today's little video. Nothing too special. We got 4 yards, which we definitely only needed like 3.
Yeah.
Or like 2.5.
Yeah.
We got all the beds topped up plus 2 new beds. Oh, 2 new beds plus. Well, I'm trying to count. I don't know how many we got. Anyways, we got more beds. And we were just playing around with our irrigation system with our pump and stuff. That's going to be another video, but we're just working some kinks out. We don't want to look too silly on camera. It's our first time.
Last year, some good ideas, but
yeah,
we got to just make sure we work out the kinks.
Yeah, last year we watered by hand, and this year we don't want it, so we got to get it right. Yeah. But long story short, we topped off the beds and we're getting ready to plant. I think the next video will be you and Susie Q and planting, yeah, like later this week. The weather's really supposed to turn. Right now it's like bitter cold, but the lows are supposed to be getting higher, so that's key.
Yeah.
And yeah, so thanks everybody who's been watching, and this year we are really looking forward to the garden, and we've made quite a bit of progress.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're hoping that we get more than one strawberry this year. Hopefully.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.